I began my search in the prime of my years, the one my eyes chose to walk through life's fears. Though her family stands against our desire, my heart commands me to snatch her from the fire, to hold